Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker. Today we are going to learn about what is container in Docker. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Containers are an abstraction at the app layer that packages code dependencies together. Code and the dependencies together. Multiple containers can run on the same machine and share the OS kernel with other containers, each running as isolated process in the user space. In Docker, a container is a lightweight, standalone executable packages that includes everything needed to run a piece of software. To run a piece of software, whatever we required, it comes into the container, including the code, runtime libraries, and the system tools. Containers provide a consistent and isolated environments for the applications, ensuring that they run consistently across the different environments. So here are the some key characteristics and the components of the Docker containers. Isolation. Containers encapsulates an application and its dependencies, providing a level of isolation from the host system and the other containers. Each container has its own file system, process space, and the network interfaces, preventing conflicts between the different applications or the services running on the same host. Lightweight. Containers share the host operating system kernel, making them lightweight. Compared to the traditional virtual machines, this efficient use of resources allows for the quicker startup times and more efficient resource utilization. Portability. Containers are portable across the different environments, allowing applications to run consistently on the various systems from a developer's laptop to a testing and the production's server. This portability is a key benefit for the DevOps practice and the development of the applications across the different cloud providers. Images. Containers are created from the Docker images. Most important point, Dockers containers are created from the Docker images, which are like executable packages containing the application code, runtime libraries, and the other dependencies. Means what the image consists. It consists of the set of instructions. What we have to do, like install the nodejs, install the node modules, right? Run the code. Okay, this is called the image. Docker image serve as a blueprint for the containers, and they can be versioned and they shared through the Docker registries. And Dockerfile, very important file. To create an Docker image, developers use a text file called the Dockerfile. The Docker file contains instructions for building the image, specifying the base image, application code, and the dependencies and the configuration settings. Life cycle. Containers have a life cycle that includes creation, starting, stopping, and the removal. Docker provides commands and the APIs to manage the life cycle of a containers, making it easy to deploy, scale, and update the applications. Orchestration. In complex application or the microservices architecture, multiple containers may need to work together. Container orchestration tools such as Docker Compose or the Kubernetes help to manage the deployment, scaling, and networking of the multiple containers. Okay. Overall, containers play a crucial role in enabling the containerization of applications, which has become standard practice in the modern software development and deployment. Docker, as a containerization platform, provides the tools and the infrastructure needed to create, distribute, and the run containers, offering benefits such as consistency, portability, and efficient resource utilization. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.